gonna get the vacuum. Leave it. Come on, let go. Thank you.
Say hi. Say hi to Clarence.
Oh, there's
There.
Clarence.
Say hi.
He's sleeping.
Hi.
Hi.
You wave.
Hello, how are you?
You count. Show him how you count.
Uno. Hi. Give a huggy. Give a huggy. Abrazo.
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 Come on, give him a hug.
Over there. Go Clarence.
Go. Say hello. I see you.
I see. She likes peekaboo.
She's shy at first. Give her a few minutes. Come on.
Hi, Mama.
Huggy.
What the heel, right?
Okay, go show Clarence this one. Come on. Go show.
Show him the front. Go. Show him. Yeah, the elephant. Oh.
The doggy? What did the doggy say?
The heel.
Okay.
What?
What? Okay, watch.
Give it to Clarence. Give it to Clarence. The other one. That one.
Thank you.
Okay.
Say
Give it to
thank
Clarence.
you.
Over there.
Baby.
Give it.
I'm going.
No baby.
I'm going.
No baby.
What does the fire truck say?
It's a coin.
Coins?
Oh.
Where's the car?
Oh.
That's the car.
Not your car. Put it back. Put it back. Say bye-bye.
Come here.
Give it back.
Give him.
Give it to Clarence.
Say thank you.
Hey. Hey.
Can I borrow, please? Yeah. Can I borrow, please? Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. It's okay. Come on. Only give it back now.
Nice car. Oh. Doo-doo. Hey.
Pick it up and put it back.
Pick it up. Give the car to Clarence.
Go, give it back.
Come on.
Oyuni. Ay. Okay, get the happy go. Come on, Oni. Bye.
How about the toy? Get the toy. Give it to Clarence. Tickle.
Bye.
Eat it. Hey. How about the toy? Give the other toy.
What does the car say, Oni? No. Oh, that's a sharpener.
What does the fire truck say?
What does the fire truck say? The engine?
The engine? What does it say? Give it to him.
No more.
Give the toy.
We're gonna say bye-bye.
Give it to him.
Change
The
diaper.
toy.
So put it back now. Say thank you. Say thank
Give the toy back.
you. This is the baby. Baby and George. Okay, give it back. Bye-bye.
Give it back.
Bye, Froggy.
No.
Give it back.
Good
Good night, chicken. Don't touch anything.
Give the toy back.
Give it back.
How about the car? Give the car.
Give it back. Say bye-bye.
I want to be able to touch people looking.
Okay, put it back.
A hinge.
Bye-bye, Froggy. Bye-bye. Give it back to Kathy, please. Please? Come on, Oni. Please? Go ahead. No.
Show them you can count. 1. You count. 1, 2, 4,
5,
Says?
One, two. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5,
X-Men: The Last Stand.
Cinco.
On the new Alienware M15X laptop.
8.
Sausage fingers off my touchscreen phone. My fingers are not greasy. You have 4 sausage
I see you.
Thursday.
Give it back, come on. Give it back. Give it back.
Give it back. Ay.
Okay.
Huh? You give it back. Okay, the other toy. Give it back.
Go, go. Come on, just go.
Come on, give it back.
Ayoni. Yeah, sometimes she goes to my school.
Give the toy back.
She speaks Spanish.
Hindi.
Where's your school?
San Mateo.
Oh, really?
All Spanish.
Oh, do you like what?
It's a preschool.
Oh, really?
Hindi, give the toy back.
It's a state preschool, mostly for low income, like single parents.
How many students do you have?
26.
For the whole school. How many teachers?
2, 4, 6.
6 teachers.
No.
Hindi, give the toy back.
5 teachers. All cartoons.